I will be replacing the lights in my ceiling. I have can lights at the moment with a bulb, and I'll show you exactly what I have. And I will be installing this halo. It does have a halo, which looks pretty good. Recess light. This one is called a retrofit, because instead of removing the whole can light, the whole metal part, you can just screw this in, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. I did buy a pack of 24 on Amazon. This is what it looks like, and they were about $120 for the 24. It's very cheap, and this looks amazing. I did install one of them. Right here, you have 5 different settings on how bright you want it in your house. Obviously, for a bathroom, you can use it very bright. Bedroom, you can play with it. And even if you don't like it and you install it, you just pull it up. You just pull it out, from those clips. Pull it out of the ceiling and you can adjust it. It's very easy. But yeah, I'll show you what I have right now. I don't like those lights, and those look very modern, especially that halo effect. I will show you. This is what I have right now. And I did replace the bulbs with energy efficient ones, but there are only 5 that are in a very high part of the house that I'm not going to be able to replace. But the rest of them, those I just think I'm going to replace the bulbs on those, because this is super high. And I will show you how. This is my baby kitty. Baby kitty? Bambi. 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 Okay, this is the one that I installed. Now I'm going to show you the halo effect. No, this is the bright, and you turn it off and you turn it back on. And your whole ceiling is gonna look like that. It's really awesome looking. So I'm gonna get started. I will do one normal speed so you see, and the rest of them, I'm just gonna speed up the process. So the light comes like this. You're gonna have to attach this here, and I'll show you. This is very easy. This just connects like that, and then you're gonna grab those. And you just clip them here. You just kind of push it. You just push this in here. Come on. And of course, because we're on camera, no. Okay, there you go. You just push it in here. And it's ready. Super simple. I have a little helper. Okay, we'll do one right now. Actually, I'm gonna do all of them in the house. Probably about 22, 3. And this is what my table looks like now. I did set all of them to 3,000. I think that is gonna be perfect. It does have this color, which is not daylight. It's more like a natural light, but warmer, and I like that. My original can lights, that was too yellow. I don't even know that if you can see this, but I don't like that. Don't mind my beat up ladder. Okay, so Here we go. Oh, I'm glad I have a place to put all this. Okay, pull this. You can use like a little plastic so you don't damage your nails. You squeeze those middle plates. And the way you remove this one, you just squeeze it and it disconnects, okay? That's your can light. Now, again, super easy. Turn off the power before you start doing anything. Okay, this is done. You just connect the little clips. Okay, this side is connected. Sometimes the wires might be on the way, so you just push them in. Okay, and now you just push it. And now I'm going to show you how it lights. And this one, I did turn it on the lowest setting. So let's see how bright it is. And that's perfect because it's not daylight. I don't want it daylight. I want it more yellow because it looks warm. And of course you can always adjust it. And now when you turn it off, this is your halo. And the whole ceiling is gonna be like that.